Hey, what's going on? I hope you are doing well. So in this video I'm going to share with you Express Factory Outlet latest discount coupon code so that you can get the best product with the best discount. Now to get the best discount, what you have to do is you have to go to this website. Also you can click on my video description link. Now what you have to do is click on this continue button, then it will redirect you to the official website. Here you can see, now on this search option, here you can see, if you search on this search option coupon, if you write coupon and press enter, then you will see they will show you 25% off discount opportunity. Here you can see they will give you promo code and discount. Sign up with your valid email here and you will get 25% off, and this will give you the best opportunities. Here you can see you will receive the email 24 to 48 hours, and this 25% off discount is only available for new users. Also here you can see, if you check out, then in the Express credit card you will get 20% off. Also they will give you $10 cash, 5% off student discount. Lots of opportunity is waiting for you. I will recommend you to get this 25% off, which is the best discount for you right now. Just on the search option, just you have to write coupon, then click enter. You will get this opportunity, which is really great. They have lots of category. You can check out all of their category and you will get the best opportunities. If you need support, go to the website last option, then from the customer service option, if you click on this contact us option page, they will provide you the best support. I hope my video help you. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for the latest updates. See you in the next video.